Hey guys, welcome back to the island family. This is your girl Maria, little ocean girl. Oh my god, my nose is itchy. Oh my god. Anyways guys, it is New Year's Eve and we're going to celebrate New Year's Eve in style, aren't we, Oshi?
So happy New Year's to everyone.
So happy New Year's to everybody.
Yes, man.
And obviously we didn't introduce you, Dad.
Yes, Medea.
This is Island Boy.
Yes, man.
Well, that's Island Boy now.
Yeah.
This is the original.
Yeah, well, both original, no carbon copy.
Yeah.
You know, so.
You're gonna say Happy New Year's to everyone?
Happy New Year's.
Yes, man.
And we're sitting in the car because we are feeding Ocean. As you can all see, she's dribbling everywhere.
Yeah.
But yeah, she's finished feeding now, but we're on our destination and we're going somewhere hopefully very special.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
We'll keep you updated.
Yeah.
You're full of vibes, and we telling you how the reason we can't stop the rhythm. We bag it off. You're loaded, so you're
Me like a melancholy. Touch your penny on the clock.
So,
Hi guys.
we're here at our destination. And this is where we'll be spending our
New
part
Year's.
of our New Year's.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the rest maybe in bed
Yeah.
watching the fireworks.
That is it. Yeah. This place, we're actually in Nimbin. You guys have seen us come to Nimbin before. Blessing, my brother.
How are you?
Good, nice to meet you.
Good, man.
Yeah, hello, my family. Yeah.
Hello.
You're the one, I think, that messaged me that the kids look after them, keep a lookout for them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. We've come to try your Ghanaian food.
Oh, it's ready. There's
Ready?
goats. There's
Yeah.
everything ready.
Oh, nice.
Nice. With fufu? Any fufu there?
We have bangkun. We have semolina one leg.
Oh, nice. Can't wait to try.
Yeah, it's ready.
All right.
He's just lazy. You should tell him, get up.
What are you
Dance.
doing?
He's gonna dance.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? 5 years?
4.
4 and a half. kind of.
4 and 4 months.
Yeah.
Because I have 7,
Yeah?
5, and 3. I know.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice.
Oh, nice, man.
Wow.
Yeah. I hope you don't mind we filming you. We
YouTube.
YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
What are you? Just YouTube.
Yeah, just
vlogging.
yeah, documenting.
Good one.
Yeah. What's your name, my brother?
Gabriel.
Gabriel. Yeah, where are you based?
I'm based in Malam.
Malam Bimbi.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're just getting ourselves.
Nice. So you have the sticks there for the drums ready.
Yeah, I'm going to have some fun.
Nice.
You perform.
Looking forward to that.
Yeah, I'm the main act for this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Gabriel too.
And the Ghana brothers, do you perform with them as well? Okay.
Oh, cool.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. We're in Ghana.
In Accra.
Accra.
Ah, cool. Yeah, definitely.
Next year. That's why this I'm running African tour to Ghana.
Oh, nice.
Taking people from here to Ghana.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Nice. So
Nice
that's something
one.
we can keep in mind.
Yeah, definitely, because I never been to the motherland, you know, Jamaican.
Yeah, you're from Jamaica.
Yeah. So, yeah, man.
It's nice.
Yeah.
How old is this one?
She's 4 months. She's 4 months old. Her name is Ocean and little boy Island. Ocean and Island.
Highland. Why you not walking?
Yeah, exactly. Tell him, lazy boy. Island boy, come on. You're gonna come and dance with Gabriel. You're gonna dance with Gabriel? You're gonna dance, huh?
Cheeky one.
Yeah. All right, Gabriel.
All right, see you around.
Yeah.
Nice to meet
See
you.
you soon, huh?
Yeah.
you go.
Thank you.
Is that right?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's fine.
Thank you.
We're gonna go down.
Morris,
Thank you.
enjoy the evening.
Yes.
Can I ask, can we purchase drinks from here or?
Yes, Dave just said there was food available, so yeah, must be saying that back there.
All right, cool.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Nice.
I'm guessing it's probably for sale.
That's good. Nice settings. Never actually been inside here. This must be real leather.
They have those on there. They're pretty cute. I like these.
Oh, they got a drum keyring.
Yeah. I like it. That's cute.
Very nice actually.
Is she?
Yeah.
John Softly.
So that's the room in there. Nice settings. Yeah. Hello. How are you? Good. Yes.
Hi, how are you going? Oh, I hope you do. Yeah, smell that one.
Yeah. Nice place.
Yeah, tell. I told you.
I like
Nice
the
place,
you can have your own little spot. You don't have to be next to anybody. You just
Chilling.
find a chill spot. Oh, so in here is all a part of where you can chill at, I'm assuming. Oh, nice. Nice space, man.
Oh, we can chill somewhere. Sit somewhere nice. What do you want to do?
Can go over there or somewhere.
Yep.
There's a river down there.
I'm not sure that.
Just thinking. It's like, oh yeah, it is a river. Yeah. It's like a walkway down there. Yeah, it is. Oh, big river down there. Wanna see?
Wow.
Big river.
Yeah.
What did it say? Oh shit, I didn't see the sign. Snakes.
Oh, they cut the grass there. That's the
Rotted.
I don't see.
Tell you about Australia, yeah. Eh? Yeah.
Is the snack a cute shade?
These are like color, like a red color as well. Just taking a stroll down here. See what this river is big. What is this? Come have a look, Island. What is this place? Wow, looking for fish, Bobo.
What?
Looking for fish.
Let's see some fish.
Can you see any fish?
Do you know I saw?
Oh, it's a baby fish jumping. Look at that, look, you see? Right down there, baby fish jumping.
Yeah.
Oh, I even see a turtle, people, but you all wouldn't be able to see it.
turtle?
You see it? You see
It's
it?
right
Yeah, it's
there.
right there. But you wouldn't be able to see it on this camera. It's actually floating up a small one.
I can see it.
Yeah, nice turtle.
Yeah. Oh, look
that's the
over
bridge.
there.
Yeah, that's the bridge.
Yeah, but there's something on that board out there.
Yeah, lots of wood. See the wood?
Yeah.
It's because of the flood.
Oh.
Oh, so you can actually walk all this way.
Walk over there.
Yeah, we don't want to go there, eh? Snakes.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go back then. But it's actually a nice walk. It's a track all the way down there. I decided to go a bit further and explore. Come. I was gonna go on my own, but here comes Island. Careful now, I don't want any snakes attacking you.
Okay. So you have to lift me up.
Yeah. Right. Oh, you have to help me look for snakes. Oh shoot, I'm actually stepping in the water here. About the track. This track goes all the way down. Wow. These almost look like Dashin or Coco, but they're actually not.
Where's the snake?
I'm guessing they're of the same family anyway.
Where's the snake?
Oh, we don't want to find one, but we just have to look out. Wow. Ooh, this river is massive. Looks like a good spot for fishing too.
Oh my god! Do you know that black thing there? There's a big thing splashed. Maybe the big thing splashed, so the wood's in there.
Oh, can you see the movements in the water? There's lots of fish in there, Bubba. Yeah. Anyway, there's stairs here as well. Maybe you can go up from here. Mad.
Oh,
it's a nice place, this. This is a drum session coming up soon. Stay tuned.
Yeah, if you start with right, you're going to start with left on the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Ah, you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Aha. 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 Keep going. Together. One more time. Okay, last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we're going to the rhythm, yeah? One more time. Okay, last one. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Together. 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 Second version goes. All of us together. Get it. 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, we went through, so we can track you. Okay, that's all right.
Can you put it on the table? Can you put it on the table?
Good noise, some Ghanaian food. This is goat meat.
Alan doesn't want to eat. I'm just.
It's really dark. They are with brother camera, you know? Hey bro. Yes, man. Hey baby.
Hello, Burning Spears.
Yeah.
Copyright.
Yeah.
Copyright music.